Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in isometric. We are doing copying isometric. So length is 50, width is 30 and height is 40. So first we will draw this slope. It is 5 mm from here. And 10 mm from bottom. So I'll get this part. Then you project this part behind. How much you have to go behind? 30. This line also I need to take it behind by 30. Then we'll draw slope. After that, we'll draw a line from here as well as line from here. This is how much? This lot, it's 20. See, total is 30. So take 20 from down or 10 from up. You extend this. This height is 30. This is 5. This is 25. And then you draw a vertical line. So you'll get that part. This distance is 20. We'll go up by 10. So when you draw, you'll get this part. Then you can darken the remaining lines. So by this way, we have completed copying ISO. I hope all of you have understood this. Thank you.